time that's being spent right now is to take those sketches and to take really those ideas and those dreams that the public saw, that the residents here had input into, and figure out exactly how we build it. There's a lot of different design decisions that need to be made during this process. So it's a very tedious and a very time-consuming process. Literally the same thing if you had any work done in your house or something like that. Well, just like the work that's going to be done here, we need a landscape architect or an engineer to stamp the drawing and say, we're going to go get permits to build this. At the same time, we're looking at the park. Our Public Works Department is working with another engineering firm to work on the traffic calming that's going to happen on North Street, on Raymond, and on Palm Springs. And the design of those roundabouts and those crosswalks and the park itself are going to come together like this. You start to go, well, there's things under the ground we need to be concerned about. Utilities, drainage, all those things. Do they need to be removed? They need to be relocated. A multi-purpose trail and a roadway, there's all these different components that need to be designed along with it for safety. Those residents that have seen us out here at the park site over the last few weeks, you might notice some small colored flags that are stuck in the ground. Our design firm went and figured out the exact coordinates of the center line of the multi-purpose trail. They then came out here in the field and checking a GPS was then able to put in a series of flags all across what we hope to be the 4 miles of the multi-purpose trail. So really what all the residents can be looking for right now is we're going to announce the next public meeting. So what folks will be able to look at that point is to get a better idea in terms of all the details that goes into it. They'll be able to see if they're located along the golf course, for example. There's where my property is, there's where my house, here's where the path is going to be. All of those levels of detail that folks will be able to take a look at and provide comments and feedback.